everyone. Welcome to Pitch It. Today we discuss the match between Rajasthan Royals and Mumbai Indians. As we expected, it went on the similar lines. It was mostly a one-sided match, so to speak. Uh, some flashes of brilliance from Butler just to close down the margin, but then otherwise was all it was going only one way throughout the 40 overs. What's your view, Mohit?
Yeah, yeah. I think 7 8 days back when Rajasthan Royals had played their first two games in Sharjah, and then they were moving to the other two venues. We had discussed this, that Rajasthan Royals might just struggle in the other two venues,
Yeah.
and that is exactly what has happened in the last 3 4 games for Rajasthan. We have seen them lose very by strong by very large margins in all of these three games. Against RCB, they lost by 8 wickets, if I remember correctly. That was a one-sided game. This is a one-sided game again. So and there they batted first. Here they have been they were chasing.
Yeah.
So it doesn't look like a very competitive side right now to me. Without Stokes especially. One good point which they can take from this game, the only positive which they can take from this game is the fact that Butler uh, looks like he's back in nick. He's back in form, and he was playing well till Pollard took that stunner.
Yeah.
That is one positive which they can take. But clearly, as a side, they are not clicking right now. Smith looks out of ideas,
Yeah.
and they badly need Stokes to come back and sort of bring in a fresh ideas and fresh energy into the team. So I think right now they are looking pretty down, and not very competitive as well. So I mean, the other side, which is at the bottom of the table, Kings 11, you can still say that they are losing games by small margins.
Yeah.
Rajasthan Royals have lost games by big margins out of Sharjah.
Yeah.
And the two games which they won as well, one was flash in the pan by Tevatia.
Yeah.
so so not very convinced by the core strength of Rajasthan Royals this year, and never been a fan of Steve Smith's captaincy and leadership. So I think it's not very. It's looking like Rajasthan Royals are going to have another very average season.
Yeah.
Mumbai Indians looked very clinical again. And if you see, Mumbai Indians have this beautiful coordination between themselves, that, one game Decock will score runs, one game Rohit Sharma will score runs, one game Ishan Kishan will score, one game Surya Kumar Yadav will score. So,
Yeah.
picking a Dream 11, side in a Mumbai Indians game is a
It's
nightmare,
very
to
difficult.
be honest. Yeah.
Absolutely.
So again today, Surya Kumar Yadav, came to the party, played a
Yeah.
beautiful
Actually,
inning.
one in the top four has performed throughout, and then one of the finishers does the finishing very well.
Absolutely, I think
Yeah.
that's the hallmark of a champion side, that everybody contributes and wins you a couple of games. So as you said beautifully, four players in the top, playing their role when they get the chance on their day, they are scoring big. And then three players down at the bottom, Hardik, Pollard, and Krunal. So these three are again clicking when required. So
Yeah.
last game you had Krunal Pandya. This time you had Hardik Pandya scoring runs. They didn't even need
Well,
Pollard
that's
today.
bad.
Pollard has had two good knocks
He,
are
he
under
has the
his
highest
belt.
strike rate in IPL this year,
Exactly,
and he didn't
exactly.
get
So
the
I
bat.
mean, yeah, Bumrah looked sharp today. And I think moment is there isn't much to discuss. We said
Yeah.
right at the start that apart from the spin department, they look a really complete side, and they are performing in that same vein as well. They are fulfilling the promise and potential which they have, and they are looking good to for a top two finish for Mumbai Indians this year.
Absolutely. Uh, just one, as in, what would you
Yeah.
call that shot of Surya Kumar Yadav to Archer though. As in
Yeah,
that
that was
of a Yorker.
correct. And straight after the next ball when he was hit, on the helmet.
Yeah.
So yes, so I mean today's players are playing those kind of shots, and when it connected, it goes a long way. So
I actually recall in the World Cup, Archer bowled a ball to probably the Bangladesh opener. What's his name?
Tamim Iqbal, Soumya
No,
Sarkar,
no, no. Soumya Sarkar. And the ball
okay,
hit the stump and crossed the boundary.
and cross the boundary. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
this was
yes.
something of a similar shot, but of the bat.
Yeah, so Archer has space, and if you just connect, the ball will cross the boundary, on either side of the wickets. So I mean, very complete performance from Mumbai today.
Uh,
And
I
what
think
are your views on their bowling effort today?
uh, it was mostly a complete effort. Yes, both as in all three seamers were very good. Pollard did his bit, but yes, Kunal Pandya was a weakness, and I think that we will see that weakness sometime or the other throughout this tournament. But they are sufficiently strong to paper over that issue. He will go for runs
Right.
some days. He will be okay and few others, but then the others will compensate.
But I think this was a kind of game and this was a kind of situation where Hardik Pandya could have bowled a couple of overs. I mean, you had them 4 down. Apart from Butler, there
Yeah.
wasn't much of a fight from anyone. Today was the kind of day when Hardik Pandya could have bowled a couple of overs. Got back into
I
his
think
bowling
what he
rhythm
says
as
is
well.
he's not in, as in he's not bowling fit.
What is bowling fit? I mean,
As in,
I don't get this. I mean,
no,
he's running
could be
around
that the
the
back
field.
is not as
He's
he,
diving around.
yeah.
Acha,
As
his
in, I'm
back
not
is
sure.
not that strong right now.
Yeah.
Acha, okay. Probably. Then he's playing as a pure batsman. Then
Yes.
interesting.
Uh,
Okay.
I was just thinking about our T20 team for the World Cup. Do you see an
Mm-hmm.
opening for Surya Kumar Yadav?
Uh, Surya Kumar Yadav. See, at 3 again, Virat Kohli will play.
I don't.
And
As in,
so at the top, I think right now, the team which I see being formed for the T20 side is basically Rahul, Rohit, and Virat at 1, 2, 3.
yeah.
Then probably Shreyas Iyer and Rishabh Pant at 4 and 5. Mayank Agarwal being the one batsman out on the bench.
Yeah.
As the reserve guy, and then a host of all rounders. Hardik Pandya would be one of those all rounders. And I don't really fancy India's chances in the T20 World Cup to be honest, because uh, this is a very radical thought process. But if we have to win, the T20 World Cup, we need to drop Rohit and Virat Kohli from the level. The way
Uh,
Virat Kohli plays, I was going through an article. He's the slowest batsman for India in T20 cricket.
yeah.
He's actually the slowest batsman across the world in T20 cricket in the first 30 balls.
Yeah.
So from that perspective, if your leader is playing like that, and if your approach, the whole team mindset and approach continues to be that, so I mean, you can't really face a side like England or West Indies, who are not coming with that,
Baggage
conventional
of,
thought process.
yeah.
Conventional thought process nahi hai unka, right? You
Huh.
you 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 look at England. They've all, they have pure strikers of the ball. Each and every player, apart from Joe Root, I'm not sure if Joe Root will play
Joe
as well. But
doesn't play
yeah,
T20s now.
yeah. So each player can play at 180, 200 right from the start. Rohit has the ability to play. We have seen him,
Yeah.
play at 200 right from the start. So I'll give him the benefit of the doubt. But Virat Kohli, I've hardly seldom seen him play at 200 right from the start. Ever in his career.
I actually
Probably
think that
2016.
probably the change that they have to do is more of a mental thing, as in they have always believed that the lower order is weak and we have to protect that. They have to let that thought process go.
I slightly disagree with that. I think that every player has a default way of playing, right? No matter how much he tries to change it, he can change it for one game or two games. But that thought process change of a player can't happen for the entire tournament or just for one, one for format of the game. So, if I were the selector, I would, form a new T20 side under the leadership of Shreyas Iyer, for India, because, I mean, T20 is a
Does
format
does
where you can
does
try
Shreyas
out.
Iyer really get into the team or have an automatic entry into the team though? As in
I think he's number four. I
because
think
of his players of his
he's good.
generation, he has probably the slowest strike rate as well.
No, but he's somebody whom we have seen that
And
he can play
and
consistently
has
at 200. Yes,
against spinners,
he's
yes.
somebody.
Against
Yes,
pace, I
against
doubt that.
spinners, yes. Against fast bowlers, again, your next T20 World Cup will be in India.
Yeah.
So how many fast bowlers will, how many overs a fast bowler will bowl, that also you have to see.
In the T20,
Uh,
T20 has been mostly bowled by fast bowlers throughout. As in apart from
yeah, depends what kind of pitches you have. But see, from if you have to form a new team, it's either KL Rahul or Shreyas Iyer who lead those sides.
yeah.
So looking at the last two IPL, Shreyas Iyer,
Uh,
looks like the better captain, than KL Rahul. At least in terms of the results, if you look at it, right?
yeah.
So either Shreyas Iyer or KL Rahul, that's a toss up. But I would definitely, my point is that I try and form a young side, new side. You have enough, young talent
And then
to,
coming in,
to
yes.
make to make a team. You have Prithvi Shaw, you have Padikkal, you have KL Rahul, you have Mayank, you have
And in
Shreyas
my
Iyer,
opinion,
Pant.
T20 teams should ideally always be the feeder to an ODI side.
Exactly. It should be the feeder to the side, and these players will have more hunger to sort of go out there and prove themselves as well. I mean, and our own track record shows that the only time we won a T20 World Cup was when it was a
Yeah,
completely new side. So rather than going in with Kohli and Rohit Sharma and Dhawan and all these players, and coming out with the same result, I would go in with a young set of players. That 15, we can discuss that 15 separately in a call, because
yeah.
that will be a long discussion again. But I think that in short, it's time to look at the future, considering the fact that you have these players who have now played 3-4 years of IPL. Prithvi Shaw has played three
I
years of
don't,
IPL.
as in, I don't think there will be a change by the coming World Cup. But beyond that, probably
हाँ, वो
that
होगा
might,
नहीं वो
होगा तो नहीं.
वो होगा नहीं वो होगा नहीं but it's always good to speculate and
Yeah.
put our thoughts to you. We know that it will not happen, but still.
Kohli is
Yes.
now too big a brand to actually leave behind one format.
Yeah, you can say that probably. Yes. Yeah. So let's see. Tomorrow we have KKR versus CSK. Very interesting matchup. Uh, it is actually the first game. I would not pick a pick a favorite, because
Uh,
both the sides
where is the
I am
match?
biased
Do
towards
you
both the
remember?
sides. I think it's in Dubai, if I'm not wrong.
No, it's in Abu
It's
Dhabi.
not in Sharjah.
Okay.
Definitely not in
So
Sharjah.
it's the same pitch, I guess, which was used today.
Acha, Abu Dhabi hai. Okay,
Huh.
okay, okay,
So
okay.
I, as in, I think, as in, logically, it
KKR
should
slight
be favoring
favorites, I think.
KKR, but I somehow
KKR slight
think
favorites,
CSK
yeah.
is winning this.
Yeah, I mean, CSK
Got back to form.
coming with all the confidence,
Yeah.
of a huge win last time around. KKR slightly down, not sure what their 11 would be. So on, at first thought, CSK does look like they have a slight edge. But I'd still say that, KKR still have the better balanced side. They have the better match winners in terms of Russell, Morgan, all these players. And, it's it would be keen to see what kind of combination KKR go with. Do they still continue with Sunil Narayan, or do they,
I think
move the
with
batting
Tripathi's
order?
innings last match, he has kind of fixed his place at the opening slot. I think, as in, I'm
Probably,
not sure, but
probably.
yeah.
Probably. So
In
if
that,
Tripathi goes up the order, then you will need to change. Then you will need to bring in one more batsman, because Pat Cummins can't play at 6.
yeah,
If Tripathi opens the batting, then Pat Cummins is at 6, Sunil Narayan is at 7, and then you have 4 bowlers. So that's too
yeah,
long a tail. Then your tail is bigger than the body. So so yeah. So you can't have Pat Cummins playing at 6. No way.
yeah.
So they'll have to then bring in probably a Banton or something like that. So
But
that's the
Banton is
problem,
also
that
a top order player.
top order player. Yeah, exactly. So that is a bit of a fix for KKR. They have
Yes,
Rinku guy who
Rinku
played
Singh.
at,
Yes,
Rinku
Rinku
Singh or
Singh.
Rinku Kumar. I don't
Rinku
remember
Singh.
his full name, but yes. So he played at number 6 or 7 and did well, I think,
Yeah,
a couple of seasons back. So
yeah, yeah.
if you are playing somebody at number 6, I think that guy is more suited than Banton. But who will you drop then? Will you drop Sunil Narayan? Will you drop Varun Chakravarti? So KKR have a few questions to
Yeah,
to address in terms of their combination, what they go
yeah.
in with. So let's see what happens tomorrow. I think CSK will go in with the same side. And Shardul Thakur did well last time around.
Yeah.
So
Shardul
I
Thakur,
think now
yeah, as in, I think Shardul
he
Thakur
pulled
will
well at the
do,
red.
yeah, will do
Yeah.
well for as in, decently for a couple of weeks now, till people get used to him, and then he's again talked around.
Right, right. So he'll always have that poor game somewhere in the middle.
Yeah,
So I think now one thing which CSK have figured out is that Shardul and Bravo will bowl the last 4.
yeah,
And there's a fair bit of uh, you know success which both of these guys have with the slower balls and the Yorkers towards the end. So both of
yeah,
these guys are street smart bowlers towards the end of the innings.
yeah.
So that one thing is figured out. Piyush Chawla for me is still not doing much. I would probably want him to give a go at Karan Sharma instead of Piyush Chawla. Like to like
Karan Sharma,
replacement.
I, as
Leg
in,
spinner.
I have never really been a fan of Karan Sharma. Uh, So, and Piyush Chawla has been good, and the runs that he has conceded, I think that would have probably been
Karan
worth
bhi
it
deta
being
utna.
Karan.
Probably. So I think they are going. I mean, with Dhoni, you never see a lot of changes anyway,
Huh.
unless they have lost a few
Complete.
matches on the trot. Yes, so they'll go in with the same
I
11.
don't think NGD is playing in this tournament anymore this season.
I don't think so.
Huh.
Probably he might get a go if Bravo needs a rest towards the end of the league stages, and they have they are comfortably in the top 4. Then maybe he
Huh.
might
No,
get a
in the sense, what I'm
couple of
trying to
games
say
in.
is they would not look at him as an option unless there is no other
Correct.
option.
Right. So I mean, Deepak Chahar bowls at the start with the new ball, and these
Hmm.
two, Shardul and Bravo, end it off. So that part is sorted now. They don't need to change that.
Tinker with that.
Uh, it would be interesting to see if Faf is fit or not. I have just heard that he probably has a knee issue and he's not
I
fit.
see it opening for
Uh,
Murli Vijay.
I don't think. I hope not. I think Ambati Raidu will go
Yeah,
on top, or
yeah.
Gaikwad will get another
I
go.
am hoping for
If
Gaikwad to
Faf
get a
is
game.
out. Yeah,
Um,
exactly. So I think there's no harm in putting him at the top.
Actually,
Actually,
among our under 19 players and all those star performers in the World Cup, a Lalit Yadav in DC and Ruturaj in Chennai,
in CSK.
they are
Yeah,
the only ones who have not really got
not
a
got
game
a
till now.
go.
Yeah,
Yes. So let's see. I mean, Jaiswal has also had a very, uh,
Trial by
a very silent IPL till now. I hope he finds a better, better captain and a better franchise soon. So let's see. Tomorrow, KKR slight favorites for me, but then a very even game tomorrow, evenly matched game. So thanks a lot, guys. We'll catch you again tomorrow with the analysis for the CSK versus KKR game. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Thank you.